Hi, I'm George Woodbury from College of the Sequoias in Visalia, California, and in this video we're going to take a look at arithmetic series that are expressed in summation notation. And so the first one, we've got the sum I equals 1 to 14 of 6i plus 11. And this is really an arithmetic series. Whoops. The 6 is our value for D, because each time I increases by 1, this is going to increase by 6, kind of like slope, right? And so the common difference is going to be 6. What else do we need for a sum? We need to know what a sub 1 is. A sub 1 would be 6 times 1 plus 11. That's 6 plus 1, or 17. And then I do need to figure out what the last term that we're adding is, and that's where n is 14. So I do need to find a sub 14. A sub 14 would equal a sub 1 plus 14 minus 1 times the difference. A sub 14 would equal 17 plus 13 times the difference of 6, which would be 17 plus 78, or 95. Now that we have both the first and last term, the first and 14th term, we can find s sub 14 using the formula n over 2 times first plus last, a sub 1 plus a sub 14. That's going to be 14 over 2 times 17 plus 95. And we can go to the calculator right there if you want to. We can simplify this a little bit though. I know that 2 divides into 14 7 times. So what we really have here is 7 times 112, and that equals 784. But I'm going to go back to take a look at the original in the calculator first. Fraction 14 over 2 times, we had 17 plus 95. And there's our 784. We'll do one more, same idea, except this one goes from 5 to 10. So what we can do is list out some of the terms so that we can see what we're working with. 5 to 10 is not the same as starting at 1. Starting at 5 is a little different. So if we put in, oops, sorry about that. If we put in I equals 5, we've got 7 minus 2 times 5, or negative 3. That is going to be a sub 1. The common difference is negative 2. And from I equals 5 to I equals 10, that's really 6 terms. Count them out: 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6 terms. So what we're really looking for here is s sub 6. What we know is that a sub 1 is negative 3. We know that d is negative 2. We've got to figure out a sub 6 first, and then we can find the sum. So a sub 6 equals a sub 1 plus 6 minus 1 times the difference, which is negative 3 plus 5 times negative 2. Negative 3 minus 10 is negative 13. So now I've got everything I need to find this sum. S sub 6 equals 6 over 2 times the first term, negative 3, plus the last term, negative 13. We know that 6 over 2 is 3, so this is 3 times negative 16, or negative 48. All right, that's using what we know about finding an arithmetic series from summation notation. All right, that's it for arithmetic sequences and series. We've got one more type to go, the geometric sequence and series. We'll do that in the next batch of videos.